What is going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I'm very excited because in today's video, guys, we are working on a one-of-a-kind project, something that we hardly do. But hey, when we get the opportunity, guess what? We don't back down from a job. In today's video, guys, we're gonna be transforming this volt from this to this. And if you can see, that's a good 50-50 right there, split right down the middle. If you want to learn how to transform this thing, well, stick around and let's get started with this really fun project. All right, you guys, so to begin this project, we are gonna be using the Sprayers Plus Acid Pro. This is their battery one. This is the 601 air booster. This one's strictly for more acid-based products, and it has done really well since I've got it. I've put it through the ringer, put it through the test, and the pump is still working amazing, all right? For this project, we are also gonna be pairing it with Lone Star's acid. This is their chrome and wire acid cleaner, all right? And this has been my go-to when working with stuff like this because it's gonna break down a lot of the grime, a lot of that rust. It's really gonna move it, and you're gonna see in this video how amazing this thing does, all right? The dilution we have in our pump right now is we are going 50% acid, 50% water. So 50-50. This is a 2 liter pump sprayer, so I believe that's 2 gallons. I could be wrong, but 2 liters, so 50, and this thing is gonna do all the work. So this is what we're using as far as chemicals for today. Sunday, day 2 of this project. And as you can see, you're probably like, wow, that looks ugly. I know. Obviously yesterday we did a lot of work, a lot of heavy lifting on a lot of this stuff, right? So today we're gonna continue with the initial phase. The initial phase is more acid than anything, more stronger product to really release and remove a lot of the rust that this had. So today we're just going to continue this, clean all this up nicely. We're going to continue with that process, wipe it all off, and the end goal is hopefully to look like this, maybe a little bit better, but it's working. As always, make sure you mask up, and usually you want to wear glasses as well, but I forgot mine, as you guys saw. And yes, if throughout the video you see my gun, no, that's gonna get me in trouble.